this wide weep, I am sinking in this silence, in this wide